Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nick Dreads, the stylist. Today I'm gonna show you a very simple style for petals. That is, as you can see, I'm gonna show you how to make petals at home or at your salon, And in this case, before making or start making the petals, you first have to consider the length of the locks that you are gonna make petals with, because we have different length of dreadlocks for petals, and the longer the locks, the more time you take when installing or making them. So we have different sizes or different length of petals. We have the length that you can just coil once, we have twice, we have for the thrice, or even we have some length that you can coil more than 5 times depending. So in this case it also depends with the size of petals. We have the smaller petals, the medium petals, we have the larger petals. So in this case I'm going to do the medium petal size, which is the best on this length of my client's locks. And in this case I'm just gonna coil them only 2 times because they are not that long, and the size of petals I'm doing here is a medium sized petal. And another thing, when making petals, kindly, this is a polite advice: never start at the back, because you will never get the best result for the petals. Always start from the front side. Always start from the front side, going towards any direction, and that is, you can go towards the left hand side or the right hand side depending on your choice. It's not a must, it's not necessary for you to go just to the same side or direct the same side. So it depends. If you are left-handed, definitely you will go towards the same side, but in my case I'm going towards the right hand side because I'm a right-handed, and that's what I prefer most, so that I can get the best style. And make sure you just go around with the same process, guys, so that you have some locks. As you can see here, I'm having some locks remaining at the center after doing the petals round my client's head, and this gives the best result for the petals bun, because if you don't do like that, definitely you will never get the best round petal bun. So keep that in mind, guys. You have to do it round, then have some locks remaining at the center, so that you use them on the finishing for you to balance the bun for the petals, as you can see here. Because if you don't do that, if you don't make sure you have some petals, you have some locks remaining at the center, you will definitely get a flat petal bun. and it will not look so nicely. It will be so somehow pathetic, you know. Even your client won't like it. So guys, make sure at least when making them, you go just round, starting from the front towards any side, but go round, so that when you remain with some locks at the center, you will use them to balance the petal bun, so that you get the best result. It's a very simple style, but you have to be so much brained, you know, because a lot of people out here have some difficulties making very simple styles. So for you to get the best on a simple style, just follow the simple steps, then you'll get the best, you know. It's not that difficult. So guys, as you can see, I'm now at my back, or at the back of my client's head, doing some finishing at the back, and I'm having some strands of locks remaining at the center of this petal bun, as you can see, which I'm gonna use them for the finishing. So that I get a best and the best round petal bun, you know. Now this is my finishing for the round sides, or for the sides. As you can see now, just started dealing with the locks or strands that remained at the center, because I'm at the finishing stage or process. And in this case, I'll definitely get the best petal bun, or the best round petal bun. Anyway, you can say it, the best petal round bun. Yeah, I think that's the best. And the petals, make sure they are not too much at the front, or too much at the back, you know, or too much at the side. But it also depends with the client's suggestion. If she needs petal bun for the side, well, do it. And if she needs for the side or front or back, do the same. But in this case, she needed petals bun at the center. Yeah. So as you can see, I've not yet finished, guys, but when you see the petal bun, it's already almost, and it has already brought the shape, the round shape bun, just because I followed the steps that I've just told you to go around before doing your finishing. Then you'll definitely get the best petal bun, as you can see here, guys. So guys, the simple steps for the simple style, and you get the best style, you know. So guys, I've just finished, and now this is the result for the petal bun I've just been showing you. So guys, it's very simple. Try that at home and you'll definitely get the best. As you can see, the style is awesome and my client is very beautiful. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to share. Yeah, and remember to hit the notification bell so that any moment I upload any content, you'll be the first person to watch the video. And guys, also remember to comment because I'll be responding to your comments at the comment section. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Nick Dreads, the stylist. This was about petals, and as you can see, it was successfully delivered. Then after that, remember to moisturize your client at least so that his or her scalp don't go dry, you know. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep sharing. Let's meet on our next video that I'll be uploading anytime soon. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.